Mike, you can jump over it.
Alright, drop. It's definitely something right here. Oh man! That gets your heart going. Oh my! Oh my goodness!
That was epic! Look
Oh.
at that!
Oh
Yes.
man! Slow at the start, and then it just.
Oh.
Woo! Here we go. All right.
Sorry.
Oh,
Take our
okay,
time.
Right here. Right here to the right. Look at this to the right. Just that way. All the way down. Yep. Watch out for all those rocks right there.
Which way are we going?
To the right. Look at that valley. Straight towards the chairlift.
Okay.
Are you ready, Michael?
I want to get on your right side, so I'm going to stick towards these rocks.
Okay, be careful. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Mine too.
Oh. like, whee! Wait for Michael, wait for Michael. Alright. Got the squad, let's go. We should have did that a long time ago. We got to do this again.
That was so good.
Dude, I think we should do follow cams on it. I'll just take this lower section after this.
Oh yeah.
Part.
Yeah, we'll just ride from here.
We're gonna hike it. What do you mean we're gonna hike it? Oh, I clipped the rock so bad. Yeah, I'm good. I was about to go off. Ugh. Yeah, I hit a rock. Happens. Well, if you don't hit the rock that I hit, but also you couldn't see the rock that I hit, but I hit it. scary. All right, Benton escaped death once again. Now let's find our drop.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.